Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine bidiyo namu na 16 a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna Koyi SQL. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allahu zan yi bayani akan SQL tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abinda ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, bidiyo namu na ƙarshe mun fara bayani akan where command a cikin SQL. Command ne wanda ake amfani da shi domin a retrieving data wadda ta cika wani certain condition. Yau insha Allah za mu ci gaba da bayani akan wannan where clause in, amma za mu yi amfani yau da abin da ake kira comparison operators. Comparison operators za ku ga wasu suna kiransu da relational operators ko comparison operators. Don't get confused, duka suna ɗaya ne, za ka iya cin ana kiransu da hakan. So waɗannan operators ne waɗanda normally duka mun san su ne operators inda za ku ga ana amfani da greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. So these are the operators da ake kira comparison operators. Domin ana comparing na waɗannan operators in based on condition da aka bada nasu. Muddin wannan condition in is true, so zai bada abin da kake so ka yi amfani da shi. So shine abunda waɗannan comparison operators suke. So let me just use the normal database that we used to always work with. So let me just execute it. Then I'm going to say select all from, then we call our database. Let me just execute it like this. So now we want to use this comparison operators, all of them. We want to use them so that mugaya da zamu yi aiki da su a cikin SQL. Let's start with greater than. If you can recall the last video, we amfani da equal to. Equal to also is part of this comparison operators. People just used to put it, but take note, don't get confused. Sometimes it's used to confuse people. If you are learning, for example, JavaScript and you are learning SQL, with the way you use equal to is quite different from the way you use it in SQL. So you saw how we use it in SQL. For example, where, if we want to use it here, we just need to put where, for example, let's say gender is equal to, then we put it here equal to, let's say male, like this. So if we just execute it, to return only males for us because we use this. But in SQL, in JavaScript, you know, you need to put two of it to make it equal to, because if you use single one, it's just an operator, assignment operator. Let's continue. So let's use the greater than. So I just want to get rid of this because you can't use greater than with string. So I'm going to use where salary, for example, the salary of these people is greater than, let's say, 40,000. So it will only return those that are collecting salary, that is a verb 40,000. I can also use less than. If I execute it, to return only those that are collecting salary, less than 40,000. I can use less than or equal sign. If I execute it, to return those that are collecting 40,000 and less than 40,000. And I can use greater than like this. If I put it like this, to return those that are collecting greater than or equals to 40,000. So please, this is how you can use comparison operators in SQL. Kamar yadda muke gani nayi magana akwai not equal to. Not equal to, this is how you write it. If you use this not equal to, it will only remove those that are not collecting 40,000 and return others for you. So if I execute it now, you will not see 40,000 in the range. You see, there is nothing like 40,000. It's removed because you say not equal to 40,000, not equal to 40,000. So it removes everything that is 40,000, but it returns not equal to 40,000. So I can also do it here. I can say, for example, where gender not equal to, let's say, female. So it will return only male's gender for us because we say gender not equal to female. So please take note on this and please try as much as you can. Koyi practicing na wannan, saboda idan kana practicing, kana amfani da data, kana yi zaka ga cewa you are learning more and more and more, kana fahimta yadda abu yake, kuma zaka rike shi cikin kanka. Baya da wani wahala, the just query ne zaka rubuta. Once you execute the query, it will just do the magic for you. So this is where we are going to stop inshallah cikin wannan video. Da fatan Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.